Hi guy, go to the boat, she's there. Are you happy today's the last day?
You are happy?
Yeah.
We go home.
You have to be honest with that. Now I have 1 week rest. I have right now 16 days fishing on the road.
Does it feel like a red one?
No, it's shaking too much.
So Luma is on the fish.
Don't look like a grouper, don't look like a almaco. Well, nice.
Almaco?
I don't know. Oh, and it's a good one. Yeah. Well, he don't take break. No. Oh, no, continue. Maybe it's another fish there. Yeah?
Oh,
Come on, continue. Shake it the jig. Shake.
take it.
No time for cry. The mine is quite high, maybe 20 meters, 25 meters up. Yeah, it's an almaco. A bad hook, I think. Yeah. George is a bad hook. That's a lumberjack. Yeah. Mine is also one, but a little bit bigger and
Nice one.
also bad hook. That was attacked for something in some point, right? Okay. Big fish, okay. Yeah.
Whoa.
Photo fish.
It's a photo fish.
Hola?
Yeah, I see the color. It's a bad hook? No. Oh, it's a blue runner.
Blue runner.
Blue runner. Blue runner. No bluefish, blue runner. Be careful with that, be careful with the tip. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yannick. Would you? Hot box?
Normally you have...
Drowned. Man, open that thing. Ooh, I was really far out.
You feel your jig?
Yeah.
Pon na mar, śpi, así que el guincho está pañal. Lunch, come by the boat, lunch, pama. Para aquí la pescadora, señores. Tú un tiempo atrás, que el guincho está por ahí, y te da pañal que se agarró porque no está larga. Check the eagle fish, I put the grouper. You want the grouper, my friend? It's for you. Take it. Come by lunch. Maybe? Yeah. She try again. Just she control the maneuver. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Really cool.
Fish on? Grouperino. No big. Okay, take break.
Not so very small.
It's not small fish. Okay, ya. No parecía tan grande al principio, gente, pero ahí está. Oh no. Ahí estaba.
Oh no.
Saludos.
¿Son sin fondo? Este también tuvo seguimiento en el popper. Si se preguntan a qué profundidad estamos haciendo allí, 60 metros. ¿Y son?
Oh, big one.
Oh,
Yes, Philip.
All the time you say it's not a big one,
This time, like
and after that,
pressuring, man. Look at this.
it's not bad, eh?
that won't take any drag, no?
I don't take drugs, but fighter. I see the color.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it looks like a bad hook. You have four hook on? Two. Okay.
Americo.
Yes. Fish on? Shaking a lot. Take a break. Okay.
That is for Philip.
Only for Philip. You tell us what is your secret today? Your secret.
The secret is
Fighter, yeah.
This one.
Small fighter.
yeah.
Ahí que estaba, man.
Bye bye, Bella.
Solid strike,
Solid strike.
but not no drags. But really more. Maybe Reno.
Gruperino. Yeah.
Big one, Philip.
There you have your 1 kilo red fish.
Was searching for that the whole week.
Yes.
Yeah, I see them. No fish, no stone today. First fish for Frank. For Frank, yeah.
For Frank,
yeah. I did thought change the name.
Carlos.
Change the name. No he pescado, hermano. No sin nada. Ya sin nada. Yeah. Another. Looks really nice right down. Oh. Europa.
Europa. Now it's a good parrot.
Yeah. Hey.
Chunk, like before.
Super. Ja. Dice is for Australia, ¿ya? Señor australiano, señores. Un vibrador pero gigante. Un vibrador, un beeper. Mira ahí todo. Too small. Ja. Hey. I go up to fight a little. No, was a tray on the ground. I think it was a grouper, but no. More than Marco. Fight.
No, it's not a big fish.
It's not a big fish.
Not a nice one. It's a nice one. Nice on Merkel, I guess. Was high up.
Yeah, that is a good one.
I don't know. Probably.
Triple hook up. That one goes, and the other come. It's a big grouper on the head. That is so, why for that is so heavy. Keep Jordan in 1 second, Marco, please. Eh? No, I see the color. Not bad. Puedo dar esto.